Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to accept payments on your Wix website. Now, in order for you to really avail wonderful features on Wix, you need to upgrade your plan. So how are you going to do that? Click this upgrade here, and then you can see here the plans that you can avail or you can upgrade in order for your Wix to or in order for you to avail or to enjoy Wix. So we have here VIP, unlimited, combo, and we just have this connect domain. So everything is up to you. All you have to do is to choose one and you have to pay this amount that you need to pay. So click select and then connect your bank account or other payment providers in order for you to avail this. So once you've selected a plan, then you can go back to your Wix account, scroll down and kind of click this billing and payments here. So when you click this billing and payments, kindly tap this payments here. Okay, tap payments and it will take you directly to this. Now, what are you going to do here is to just click this manage payment methods. So for me, I have two options here. I have PayPal and I have manual payments. So if you want to connect your PayPal, all you have to do is to click this connect here. Now, through PayPal, you can also send and accept payment. That's how wonderful PayPal is. So all you have to do is to type the email address here, and then you can connect your PayPal, or you can link your PayPal on your Wix. Okay, so once you click connect, then it will take you to this site where you need to do security challenge and maybe you need to confirm your email account in order for your PayPal to connect to your Wix. As easy as that. Now, when you go back, you can see here PayPal connected. It's time to upgrade your plan. You really need to upgrade your plan in order for you to receive and accept payment. Now, if you're going to click this manual payments here, click connect, then you have options. You can do cash payment offline, or you can also click this cash on delivery. So all you have to do is to add some information here, for example, name, and then you can also do products or any other information, added information here, and then click connect. That's how easy it is. And now you really need to upgrade your plan. Like what I have said, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to accept payments on your Wix website. You can only add this. I mean, you can only add payment providers. You can only select payment methods. But in order for you to accept payments on Wix, you need to upgrade your plan. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and see you in our next video tutorials.